Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Thursday, September 12th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. So hope you're all ready for some technical analysis here again tonight. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our Q's daily chart as we always do, to see what happened here today. Wow! As you can see, we're continuing to the downside, breaking through all major areas of support that we talked about already. The first one here was at 68.25 and all those three moving averages that I mentioned to you, and we already talked about those. The one here in green, which is the 8 moving average, the one slightly below it right now, which is in pink, and then the 50-day moving average. So all of them came together, okay? And now, as you can see, after we crossed and broke below all of them, we are still remaining below all major areas of support. So now, support once broken becomes resistance. So those areas of support are acting as significant areas of resistance at this moment. And here, 68.25 is the magic number. All right, so as you can see, we are still below all of them, and also below that next area of support down here, 67.20, and that little trend line coming down, which is right here in blue, we are also below it. So that was another area of support that I wanted to show you here. So now we are still continuing lower, making lower lows. And here today, as you can see, what's interesting is we are making our first higher high. Okay, so as you can see here, we are opening the day higher and we are breaking back below the 67.20 as well as the low of yesterday, which was at 66.80. So for tomorrow, what you need to do is keep your eye on the 67.20 mark as well as the low of today, which is at 66.67, and also the high of today, which is at 67.47. Because if we do ever break through the high of today and close the day higher, we could see a little bit of a bounce at least to that upper area of resistance right here of 68.25. But if we do instead break back down again, watch this low again of 66.67 really carefully. And if we do ever close below that low, we could head even lower to the next major area support down here at 65.10. All right, so at least you have a good idea of what we're looking for and what you should pay close attention to. All right, so now let's move down and take a look at our friend MACD. Wow, look at this. The MACD is still pointing lower, so we are definitely bearish according to the MACD, still below the zero line, pointing south. So that is what the MACD is telling me at this moment. And then look at the volume. Huge spike in volume right here, right at the breakout. And now we are slowing down a bit. We have some decrease in volume, but it is still pretty good. Not really impressive, but still good. So now what you need to do is, again, look for spikes in volume to have a better confirmation. All right, yeah, so have a wonderful day, evening. Happy trading to all of you, and I will see you back in class again tomorrow.